But if I give you $1,000,000 and you have to die tomorrow, what you want?
This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's 9 o'clock, guys. Momo came in for me this morning. She took Ivy at about 6 and fed her, took care of her so I could grab a couple more hours of sleep. And honestly, best thing ever. Woke up to this scene. These three all on devices because it is Sunday morning and this is what parenting looks like sometimes. And my two girls over here. God bless Momo. Oh, you don't even know how you saved me. Trust me. And there's little Ivy Ara, happy as a lark in her purple. Sweetie. Hi, mommy. Let me not disturb you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Finish eating up, okay? I'll sit down and have our coffee together. All right, Peppa, I hear you too.
Hi, Tami.
Right, babe.
What's up?
I'm good.
What are you doing? Making breakfast?
Yes.
Good for you.
Oh.
Bag of thing you're going with.
Oh.
Tami, did you know that Jackson is napping right there now? He's fully sleeping.
He's been up since God knows what time. That's
I was
why.
just about to ask you what time you wake up because that's unlike him.
A long time.
Yeah, that's
Long
crazy.
time. So, anyway, he did say he wasn't feeling so hot, so I gave him some medicine, so he might be sleeping because of that too.
Oh.
But he was up before I was up, and I was up from long time. But I did get to go back to bed for a little bit, thanks to Momo. So.
Awesome.
No thanks to you.
Tami.
And people, can you imagine when he had the audacity to send me a TikTok last night talking about how men who nap have 68% less chance of getting heart disease.
I'm just saying, next time you despise my nap, just think, you know what, this is good for his health.
Lord, yes. Meanwhile, though, let's talk about what sleep deprivation and frustration does to women.
We're gonna work on it. That's why I think I sent you the study. I sent you so
I'm
you
not
can,
gonna get
so
to
we
that.
can now work on your napability.
But it looks like the naps only work on men.
Oh right, because the study did say that.
Yeah.
Tami,
Yeah.
so I never business about them and them study. We're going to deal with your naparation. Naparation is a must for women. Okay?
Stand you.
But anyway, guys, good morning to all of our MTM family out there. You don't know, enough respect, enough love. You guys are appreciated whether you watch our videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you watch us 1 time a week, if you watch us 1 time a month, we love you guys. We appreciate you guys. We appreciate every comment, every like, every share, every all of these things.
Yep.
Big up on yourself.
The
You
growth
understand?
of this channel is all because of you.
The growth of the tea, what time it just say?
Yep.
Okay, that is
No
it.
joke.
Love. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Look at you now, look at you now.
Ozzy, I tell you to plug in the iPad and look, you plug it in, but guess what?
It's not plugging in.
Guess what? It's not plug in. How you expect to get any electricity, bro?
You guys must be wondering what happened with the pantry because I said I'd show you. Well, we started, but 2 of our shelves had to be resprayed, or they weren't. Something about it wasn't our carpenter wasn't happy with. So everything is across the table. Some things are out. I'll show you what the type of shelves we're doing in here. And we're mimicking the shelves that are on the outside. But obviously we're gonna have to fill out the holes and paint it as well. But it comes all the way in and around, you know. Come look. Looking nice, right guys?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, when it's done, it's gonna be really cool. But it's not done yet. So yeah.
We're kind of in a little,
We're in a bit of a zone right now.
Yeah.
But tomorrow they were gonna be in. So by the time you see the next episode, it will be up and running. It might not be painted, but it should be, all the holes and stuff should be filled up from where the other stuff was. So this is it, man. This is construction life. Like it never ends.
It's true.
Yeah. I have to wake up because
Alright, so
so sweet.
who have to wake her
I
up?
have
No,
to.
no, 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 hold on. Waiting me turn on the
waking
camera for say.
No.
People I don't see my daughter from day,
No,
and I'm going to go and wake her up. And I'm going to go and wake her up and feed her, and you don't know, do the daddy duty. You get what I say? And this one I know, come and I try speed me out to go wake her up. Tami, why are you robbing my joy? Why are you robbing my joy? Watch it, Atlas is our protector, you know? Our bodyguard. Our next drug.
Just need to get the other hand up.
That's right. I love you.
Hi, Mom. Oh, she's getting stronger.
Come and look at this face.
Jesus. Watch it just wake up face.
Oh my God, she's crawling.
Sweet life.
Oh, let me pick you up.
Oh. Hi. Am I Tootsie? Hi. Hi. Give me a morning breath. Hi.
Afternoon break.
Yeah.
There you go. No, you have to kick it out.
Daddy, want me? Daddy.
So,
Is that it?
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy, want me?
You can buy me trip out of school.
alright, lunch is served. Momo sort out some red pea soup yesterday, so we just put on back some on the pot and add it up. It's as good as new. Sometimes you know red pea soup, and when you add it up, but the next day, and when it really level up and go on wicked, you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm.
But you ever see my dying child? What child? The children just a hang out.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see how my daughter in her nice dress up. Not do that. It's Sunday best.
Sunday
Yeah.
best, but where you going, mommy? You going anywhere? I don't think you're going anywhere. Just to sleep? That is it?
Is she smiling?
Yeah, of course, always.
Oh, that's smiling, mommy.
Aww. Love you. Love you.
Hear them talking.
Lots of talking. Oh, tired. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hi.
Yes, no finger. No finger for the baby girl. No finger. Hey. No finger. No finger. No finger. No finger. No finger, you know. I did today.
When did you watch that TV?
Like a couple weeks ago. Hi, Grandma. On my iPad. I'm gonna watch it again.
You gonna watch it again?
Yeah.
Hi, Ugly. Hi, Omar.
Hi, what's up?
Oh, doing some road runs.
Guys, it's a Sunday meds. Okay, you know what? A lot of times we run down the wrong things in life, trying to get rich and get wealthy. But we really need to put into perspective what real value is in our life. If I ask most people what is the highest form of value in their life, they will automatically probably say money. But if I give you $1 million and you have to die tomorrow, what you want? You're not gonna take the money, because time is more important than money in that aspect. You want to live. If I say I'm going to give you $1 million and you're going to be sick for the rest of your life, you're going to be like, I don't think so. I don't want to be sick for the rest. So health becomes more valuable than money. If I say I'm going to give you $1 million, but somebody you love has to die, you're probably going to say, parents, siblings, relationships have more value. So we get to see that money is not the highest form of compensation. Fulfillment is. So when you're fulfilled on the inside, it's easy to get money on the outside because you're no longer chasing money, you're chasing purpose. And once you find purpose, you're gonna find money. Think about it now. Huh?
I want to go over here and go.
Go over where? Oh, but it's raining. Can we still go? You sure? Okay. I promised these boys that I would carry them for ice cream today. Under one condition, everybody eat up them dinner.
No,
You see what
I
I
ate
want?
up.
Not looking bad at all.
This is not a happy day for me.
Not looking bad at all either. Why today is not happy for you? Why? We're going for ice cream now.
Because I'm trying to tell Mommy I'm trying the hardest. She eats all the pork in the place, but she keeps saying that is not enough.
Bro, okay, you had enough now. So clap yourself. Are you ready to go?
No, not right now, but I will be.
You will be in like 2 minutes when we're ready to drive out.
You don't told me ready to go.
Just have to bathe and get dressed and put on your shoes.
Not bathe, just put on your clothes.
That
Tami,
is way more fun.
are you coming with us? Please do.
I have to.
Yes, you do.
I don't think I have to.
Yes, you do.
No, man, you guys go deep.
No. All three of the boys are going. You know, they're a handful. So come, we just go knock it and fall back and then we'll
I want a break.
Mama is not great. No. The two big woman flavor that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And they have fruit basket to it in another category there too. Yeah. Come here, where is it?
Mama really put her foot in this.
In the food?
Yep.
Put your foot in it, Mama.
That means it tastes so good, not Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy!
Yes. I'm ready, bro. I'm just waiting on mommy. Go and tell mommy. Mommy say you're ready.
I forgot where the sink was.
My you, the food is so good it's getting to your head.
Hey vloggers! Hey vloggers! So we're in the car right now, going to Devon house.
We said we're gonna make a little drive, as we told you guys. We're gonna make a little Sunday drive out.
Daddy, you want to go to Devon house?
Yes, we're going to Devon House, Baba.
After all, ice cream nicer on a Sunday.
Ice cream place also pack up on a Sunday, so I'm not ready.
You know, so we might lucky for the past couple, times I've gone on a Sunday. It hasn't been as bad as I expected it to be.
Well, maybe the rain will help us.
Maybe we might get to it
Atlas
today.
just stop the man.
Oh, and also maybe
He knows the stop gone. I'm gonna give him allergy meds, everything. All that left to do is just cut off the nose.
Atlas, you're going to have to breathe through your mouth for the rest of
You
your
know,
life.
he might be one that we have to explore the adenine thing.
No.
Adenine removal.
Don't talk about it. Don't talk about it.
No?
That just stressed me out.
Breathe through their mouth.
Watch it, there's something drop on ground.
Oh.
This camera something, man.
Sorry guys, we just lost our camera by You're just vlogging.
So when we get back home, is what, straight to Ivy?
Straight to Ivy. Ivy's taking her final little cat nap for the day. When I go home, what happens with her is that then she gets up, we stay up for a little bit, then she
Goes to bed.
bathes, eats, goes to bed, prayerfully stays to bed. She would not settle last night before her dream feed. Yeah, she was hungry. Like literally, she's eating 6 ounces, and no joke, in 1 hour she was like, Me I feel like my belly suckle off good. So I did ask towards to make another 4 ounce and she boxed it off.
She's a sturdy girl though. She's sturdy, you know. Everybody finished their homework?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Jackson?
Yes.
What do you say?
I'm going to finish it when I get back home. Me too.
Okay, but you've
Alice,
gone.
we finished your homework already. We just have to do spelling words again.
Daddy, me too.
You too, Ozzy?
Yeah.
What did you have for homework, Ozzy?
I did fishing.
You what?
I
You went to swishing? Oh.
I have homework in my mind.
Oh, the fishing. Okay, cool. You finished all your homework, Daddy?
Yeah.
Cookies and cream. Do you have chocolate chip or no? Okay, so chocolate, cookies and cream, and yeah, those two.
Hello, Mochi.
Like caramel and what else?
Mommy, this is mine.
Ozzy, why do you listen to me?
Mine, Mommy. How do you know how to use all of these? This is mine, Mommy.
Careful how much you give.
Ozzy,
Thank you.
wow.
Mommy, give me 2 scoops.
You squeeze it down good time?
There.
No figure the dog, you know. He's usually
Give
barely
me 2
over there, you know.
scoops, Mrs.
No.
I'm your mom. Son. I mean, not as your mom, Mommy. I'm sorry so much. I don't deserve ice cream now.
Yes, you don't at all, and you never did.
Please know that mommy gives the best scoops ever.
Cut the blues. And my birthday's tripping. Cut the blues. Sorry, bro. I won't need a bit tonight. No pain, no gain.
Alright guys, there you have it. Nice chill Sunday vlog. We are about to get the kids off to bed and then lock down and watch the final chapter of House of the Dragon.
Can't believe that it's already that time.
Yeah. Season finale this week, you know. It'll go hot tonight. So if you guys watched it, drop a little comment in the comment section, whatever. Drop a
No
comment
spoiler
section.
alerts in case, though.
No spoiler. Yeah, drop a comment regardless. You don't know. Whatever. Yeah. Just keep the thing live and drop a like and you know all of the thing them. We see you guys on Wednesday again. You don't know, MTM is right here. It's a
Wait,
food
that's so
place.
thing you don't know.
You don't know.
You don't know. That's
You
what I'm
don't
going
know.
to use.
Artist
Hey, what's up,
intro.
everybody? My name is Tami Chin.
You
don't know.
Make sure you come out to the party. It's
You
going to be
don't
so
know.
good. You don't know. You have like Renaissance, Stone Love. You don't know all those good sounds. Yeah, so guys.
We love you. We'll see you on Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you then.
That.